When most people think of drones, what usually comes to mind is remotely piloted weapons or grown-up toys. However, the rapidly developing countries across the continent of Africa are experimenting with this 21st century technology as a way of leapfrogging aging Western infrastructure. East Africa has begun working with a US-based startup to launch a national UAV delivery program. Malawi has opened a drone test corridor. In Rwanda, alongside manufacturing their own drones, they became one of the first adopters of performance-based regulations for all drones. The Nigerian Air Force appears to be experimenting with UAVs. South Africa has begun regulating the sector under the country's Civil Aviation Authority. Kenya, Ghana and Tanzania have issued or updated drone regulatory guidelines and announced future UAV initiatives. Global experts have begun taking notice of Africa's use of drones.